Okay, we're looking to look at interpreting parabolas. That is, you're given a picture of a parabola and you're given a y-intercept at another point, and you're asked to find the equation of the parabola. Well, here we go. We know that this graph takes the form of f of x equals ax squared plus q. That's the form of parabolas, one form of parabolas that we have. And now all you do is the first thing, that q, if x is 0, q is the y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept's just 3 here, so I know that q is 3. Well, I've got part of the equation figured out, y equals ax squared plus 3. And you do just like we did the lines. You take the x value, you put in 2 instead of x. And the y value, you put in for y, you put in 7. Then you just solve this equation. 2 squared is 4a. Subtract 3 from both sides, you get 4a equals 4. Divide both sides by 4, and a equals 1. And this is used a lot in exams. It's really important. So now we know a is equal to 1, so f of x equals x squared plus 3, or 1x squared plus 3. Well, that's one form of a parabola. If you're given the y-intercept and a point, you can always do that. But what if you're given two x-intercepts? Well, there's another form of writing a parabola. This is the form of y equals a times x minus x1 and x minus x2, and x1 and x2 are the x-intercepts. So all you do is take those x-intercepts and put them in there. Go x minus minus 2, that'll be x plus 2, and just x minus 2, that's the second intercept, 2. Well, there's your equation. It's all done. Y equals a times x plus 2 times x minus 2. Now it's time to substitute 1 in for x and 6 in for y. Instead of y, you put a 6. Instead of x, you put a 1. Well, let's work this out. 1 plus 2 is 3, not too hard. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 3 times minus 1, that's minus 3a. Divide by negative 3, and a equals 6 divided by negative 3 is negative 2. Now we've got the equation. It's just minus 2 times x plus 2 times x minus 2. That's the equation of the parabola. You can put it in a standard form by just multiplying x plus 2 times x minus 2. That's x squared minus 4, and multiplying the negative 2 through. So there you go. That's called using the intercept form of a parabola. And the other one is the standard form, the first one we started with. They have another little story here. They say, notice that the x-intercept, is 8. So then we know that this right up here must be an 8. That must be going through 8. They wanted you to notice that. When it's in standard form, we can look at the y-intercept. Okay. I hope this helps. Okay.